Yo, what's up YouTubers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy LB. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make 3D planet animation. Guys, this is Premiere Pro only. There is no other software I use, there is no other plugins I use. It's just some few effects and keyframes animation that I use in a Premiere Pro only. But there is some few photos I use I download from Google. You download too. But first, let me just see how this animation is. So now let's jump in Premiere Pro and then I show you how I made this animation. So now as you see here, I have an image. Then I drop my image into the timeline. So this is an image I'm going to use to make 3D planet. So now the things I'm gonna do, I will go here on ellipse tool, then I click on it, then I come to drag some cycle. So it's better to hold the shift to make a good cycle. After this, come to fit well into your good frame, and then after making this cycle, come here to click on this image, this image, and then after this come here on double arrows, go on effect. So now we are going to search some effect that we are going to use to make this 3D planet. The first one, search the effect called offset and then drop it into your second clip. So it's an image, it's not a clip. Then come again to search the second effect called facialize and then drop into your second image. Then come again to search the third one called the lighting effect. Again drop into your image. Then come again to search the fourth one called track mate key. Then also drop into your image. So now those are the 4 effects that we are going to use. So now come here on effect control. So let me just begin by track mate key settings. Then come here to choose video 2. So now after this, come here on offset. So now we are going to rotate my planet. You know how the planet is rotating. So now I come here to add some keyframe on shift to center on the beginning of my clip here. You see the keyframe is already there, and then I come here on where my image is end. So now I will move this number, I'm increasing this number, how my planet it will be rotating. So now let me check first how is it. So now this is how the planet it will be moving, and then I just like this speed. It's not fast or it's not slow. Okay, then after this I will come on the third effect called facialize. Here on radius I will increase only the number to become into 3D. So now you see how my circle is. Then after that I will go on my 4th effect called lighting effect, and then I will move this point into on the top. Then I come here to increase this intensity. Let me just add 60 to increase the light. Okay, after this I will come here to reduce these things. Then I reduce this right to here. Okay, Yeah, this is perfect. Then after this, I will come here on this ambience light color. I just want to choose the black one. Okay, this is good for me. Just I will come here on bump layer, then I will choose video 1. Okay, so now you see how this planet is becoming. Then I come here to increase this bump height, so I will reduce it, this bump height. Okay, so now you see it has more details like a planet. So now after this, just click on again this second layer, then go here on color. Now I'm going just to add some colors to increase some light, contrast, height, shadow, white and black. Let me just reduce this exposure and then increase this contrast, then increase some black. Okay, here this is perfect. Okay, then increase some shadows. Then after this, come here again on effect control, on lumetri color settings. Now I'm going to mask on the bottom of my planet because I just want some black. Here, then I will increase this mask further. Okay, this is perfect. So now back on my editing tab. So now I'm going to add some background here behind on this planet. Now just import my image, this galaxy. Okay, after this, now let me check it how my planet is. Guys, that is perfect. That is it. Guys, this is how I made this 3D planet animation. Please, if you like my video, subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below. See you in next video.